Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In today's video, I'll teach you how to cancel subscription on Bumble. So within the Bumble application itself, you'll not be able to find the option for canceling the subscription, but canceling the subscription is actually very easy. For that, what you have to do is launch open Play Store on your device. You can see over here, I've opened it. Make sure you're logged into the same Google account that you used in order to create your Bumble account. If you're logged into your account, at top right corner of your screen, you'll be able to find the profile icon. Tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. You'll be able to find the option for payments and subscriptions at third. Tap on it. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the payments and subscriptions interface. You'll be able to find the options like payment methods, purchase verification, subscriptions, budget and history, etc. Tap on the third option, subscriptions. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the subscriptions interface. Right now I haven't subscribed to the Bumble Premium, but if you have subscribed to the Bumble Premium, you'll be able to see it over here. You'll be able to find two options, resubscribe and remove. What you have to do is simply tap on the option remove. After you remove it, it will no longer be on your subscription list and you'll no longer be charged for it. So that is how you cancel subscriptions on Bumble. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.